Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting 3D printing project. Today, I'm thrilled to show you a fantastic find from the internet, a paper plane gun. This amazing device launches paper airplanes made from standard A4 sheets. Let's dive in and see how it's done. I started by downloading the digital files for the paper plane gun and loaded them into my 3D printer. Watch as the printer meticulously builds each component layer by layer. This time-lapse captures the entire printing process, showcasing the precision and efficiency of 3D printing technology. The product is ready. The amazing thing is that it does not require any assembly. Everything is already done so that you can immediately go to use this model. Next, I demonstrate how to fold paper airplanes using standard A4 sheets. I fold a few planes, ensuring they have the right shape and weight for optimal flight. This part is always fun and takes me back to my childhood days of making paper airplanes. Open sheet up and fold the top two corners down, forming a point at the top. Then, fold the angled edges down again towards the center line, making a sharper point. Now, fold the plane in half along the original crease. For the wings, fold down each side towards the bottom edge, making sure both wings are symmetrical for balanced flight. Folding paper planes can be quite nostalgic, taking us back to school days. It's a simple yet satisfying process. The key to a great paper plane is precise folds and a balanced design. This ensures that the planes fly smoothly and accurately when launched. Finally, once all the planes are folded, we're ready to load them into the paper plane gun. This device will launch our planes with ease, ensuring a perfect flight every time. Let's see how they fly. Now, the exciting part. I load the folded paper planes into the paper plane gun and get ready to launch. Watch as the device effortlessly shoots the planes into the air. The mechanism is smooth and reliable, making it a fantastic gadget for kids and adults alike. And there you have it, the paper plane gun in action. This was fun, and it's amazing to see how well it works. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting 3D printing projects. For exclusive access to all my 3D models and to support the channel, check out my Patreon, link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy printing.